I did good. I only ate like 1 plate of Chinese food because I knew I had to ride back. Like, it's about 30 minutes or so. So I didn't want to be miserable or tired. Pretty darn good though. Always is. But daggone it, they put the bamboo in there. I asked them for no bamboo. I don't like bamboo. I don't like bamboo at all. I think they put extra in there. So I ate around it. Back home again in Indiana. Doesn't look like they're letting anybody through. So I guess I gotta do a detour. I smell pig shit. Must be this Chevrolet in front of me.